Hello everyone, and welcome to our in-depth exploration of the fascinating journey from seed to pickle in our video. Today, we will take you through the entire process of growing, harvesting, and processing cucumbers into the delicious pickles that many of us love. Let's dive into the journey that cucumbers undergo before they reach our tables as pickles. First, we will begin with sowing seeds in the greenhouse. This is a crucial step to ensure that cucumber plants have the best start. We need to select high-quality seeds that are free from mold and damage. Use organic soil or a soil mix with good drainage and rich in nutrients, filling seed trays while leaving enough space for root development. Sow the seeds at a depth of about 0.5-1 inch, placing each seed in a separate small cell in the seed tray. Cover them with a thin layer of soil and gently press down. Lightly water the soil to keep it evenly moist and maintain the greenhouse temperature at around 70-85 deg 2129 deg C, ensuring 12 to 16 hours of light each day. After 7 to 10 days, the seeds will germinate and young seedlings will appear. Keep the soil moist, provide adequate light, and protect the seedlings from pests. Once the seedlings are strong enough, we will transfer them to the outdoor garden. Choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day, and prepare the soil by making it loose, nutrient-rich, and well-draining. Start by using specialized equipment to till the soil, creating a loose and aerated texture. Form raised beds to ensure proper drainage and root development. Cover the beds with plastic mulch to retain moisture, control weeds, and maintain soil temperature. Dig holes spaced 12 to 18 inches apart and place the seedlings in them. After meticulously preparing the garden soil, the farmers begin the process of planting cucumber seedlings into the ground. They carefully lift each seedling from the seed trays, gently holding the roots to avoid any damage. Under the early morning sun, the farmers bend down, meticulously placing each seedling into the pre-dug holes. Next, they use their hands to cover the roots with a thin layer of soil, lightly pressing down to stabilize the plant. Everyone works in harmony, completing the task in an atmosphere filled with hope for a bountiful harvest. After planting the seedlings, the farmers use a drip irrigation system to maintain soil moisture, helping the cucumber roots quickly adapt. They closely monitor the plants, removing weak ones and implementing measures to protect the plants from pests, ensuring strong growth from the start. Supporting cucumber vines through trellising promotes vertical growth, enhances air circulation to reduce humidity and disease risks, and facilitates easier harvesting. This practice not only conserves space, but also helps keep fruits clean and free from soil contact, enhancing their marketability. Regularly training vines, trellises, or stakes ensures plants receive adequate support throughout their growth cycle, contributing to healthier and more productive crops. Furthermore, cucumber farms rely on bees, typically one hive per acre, which equates to at least 25,000 bees per acre. Bees play a critical role in pollinating cucumber flowers. Each flower needs to be pollinated at least 7 times to produce a beautifully straight and perfect-looking cucumber. This partnership between bees and cucumber plants underscores the importance of ecosystem health and biodiversity in agricultural practices. At Southern Valley, the art of cucumber harvesting truly is a wondrous process. These resilient cucumber plants continue to bear fruit until the first frost sets in. Amazingly, this journey sees our harvest teams venture into the fields at least 20 times throughout the season, ensuring that each cucumber is picked at its peak. Cucumbers are hand harvested by farmers, working between the rows of cucumber plants. Impressively, the farmers run back and forth filling baskets with cucumbers and then bringing them to the trucks. Additionally, cucumbers are grown on the ground without using trellises, allowing for harvesting with specialized machinery, which significantly reduces time and costs. In 2023, the United States produced approximately 950,000 tons of cucumbers, reflecting the country's substantial contribution to the global cucumber market. This high production volume underscores the importance of efficient harvesting techniques and advanced machinery. Once harvested, the cucumbers are transported to processing factories where they undergo several steps to become pickles. The factory receives fresh cucumbers in various forms in plastic bins, cardboard containers, barrels, or in bulk. The first step is cleaning, where the cucumbers are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris. Bulk-loaded cucumbers are washed out of the truck with a powerful water hose. The company packs 2 main types of pickles: processed pickles and fresh packed pickles. The brine tanks have a capacity of about 800 bushels each, and the company can store about 40 million pounds of cucumbers annually. Filling the tanks in the tank yard requires heavy lifting, with each large hopper holding around 200 bushels of product. Once the tank is full, headboards are applied and the fermentation process begins. Processed pickles include sweet pickles, sour pickles, dill pickles, and some kosher dill pickles. Fresh pack pickles are fresh cucumbers that do not undergo fermentation, simply washed and packed into jars. When it is time to pack cucumbers into jars, whether processed or fresh pack, the cucumbers are first thoroughly washed. Once cleaned, the cucumbers move to the cutting department, where they are cut into slices, spears, or left whole. They are then blanched and sent to the packing department, ready to be placed into jars. Empty jars arrive on pallets and are placed on the production line by machines. The jars are washed and inspected before entering the packing room. Most products are packed by machines, but some, like spears and sandwich slices, are still hand-packed. After the cucumbers are placed in the jars, pickle juice made from vinegar, water, and other ingredients is added for flavor. The jars are then capped and vacuum sealed before being pasteurized to ensure shelf stability. During this process, jars of pickles pass through 10 different temperature zones where they are heated and quickly cooled. After pasteurization, the jars are labeled and printed with a best by date and production code. Finally, the jars are packed into cardboard trays and shrink wrapped, then automatically stacked onto pallets. Throughout the process, quality control checks ensure consistent and high standard products. The finished pallets are stored in warehouses before being shipped from the distribution center. The production of cucumbers and pickles in the United States, particularly in 2023, highlights the country's capability to produce substantial quantities of this versatile vegetable. The use of modern technology and sustainable practices not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures the preservation of natural resources. We hope you enjoyed this detailed exploration of how cucumbers are transformed into pickles. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye!
Deep within the bamboo forests, nestled in caves 2 to 3 meters deep, there lives a creature that spends its days nibbling on delicious bamboo. But how did they become a delicacy on dining tables in China? Is there a special reason that makes them so appealing? How does China breed thousands of bamboo rats, achieving an annual output of 2.5 million? Right now, let's uncover why people go to such great lengths to hunt down this bamboo rat. After capturing the plump, healthy bamboo rats for breeding, farmers release them into enclosed pens. Each bamboo rat family is housed in its own pen, with each pen spacious enough to allow them room to move around comfortably. To care for the young bamboo, in the adult stage, from 16 weeks onward, bamboo rats need a fiber-rich diet to maintain their health, and bamboo shoots are their favorite food. The hard bamboo stems help bamboo rats grind their teeth, keeping them sharp and preventing overgrowth. The minerals in bamboo also support bone and muscle development, which is especially beneficial for adult rats. Only healthy rats, showing no signs of illness, are selected for harvest. Considered a delicacy and highly sought after, many are willing to pay a premium for bamboo rats, though they're not always readily available on the market. Adapted to cooler temperatures, these isolated farms deep in the mountains pose an added barrier for consumers seeking this special delicacy. There are many ways to prepare this animal as a dish. The most popular method is grilled bamboo rat, typically marinated with spices like garlic, chili, lemongrass, and fish sauce. And so our journey exploring this fascinating creature comes to an end. From its wild lifestyle and rapid reproduction to its high nutritional value in specialty dishes, the bamboo rat offers many interesting and beneficial aspects. Feel free to share your thoughts about this remarkable animal. Goodbye, and see you on our next adventure. One of the most popular and beloved dishes in the world. The consumption of pasta reaches hundreds of millions of tons each year, rising to become one of the essential foods in many countries. There are many different types of pasta, but spaghetti has the highest consumption. Right now, follow me to explore the production process of this special type of pasta. Semolina flour is placed into large mixers along with water, where specialized mixers with powerful paddles operate continuously. This mixing process takes about 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture becomes smooth, uniform, and reaches a certain level of elasticity. A premium variation of spaghetti uses eggs during the dough mixing process. Once the dough is ready for the extrusion process, the automated robotic system will come in to load the extrusion machine with the dough. The dough is pressed through a special extrusion mold, which has small holes specifically designed for spaghetti strands. As the dough is pushed through the mold, it forms long, thin, and uniform spaghetti strands. Here, conveyor belts filled with pasta move in sequence to the packaging area before being released to the market. Machines handle the process of feeding the bundles of pasta into the automated packaging system. One of the essential steps is sealing the pasta package, where the printer will print information such as the production date, expiration date, batch number, and barcode on the packaging. The large-scale pasta production process today is a harmonious blend of traditional techniques and modern technology. This helps pasta become a product that retains its traditional